We're gonna make some Christmas slime because I hate myself. If you know me, I can't make slime, so here we go. So you need glue, you need some paint, and I'm gonna use red paint because it's Christmas. Is that enough paint? That's enough paint. Now you're gonna mix it together. Oh, it looks pink. Oh no. Alright, the shaving cream. You need like... That will be enough. That looks even pink. Oh, Jesus. Essentially, this is a mess making a mess. Great. Now what do I need? Foam soap. I forgot to do that again. Here we go again. I've actually got the foam soap they use, so... Now, oh, I've got it on my hand. Ugh. Now I need corn flour, a tablespoon. Great. Oh, it's everywhere. Fantastic. Now we've got to do something again. Baby lotion. I'm literally guessing. And now we need that stupid ice stuff. Why have you walked into my kitchen like this? If you could remove yourself from my kitchen. It matches my top. Oh bloody hell, it's actually working. Is it? I don't know. So we've done better than... Oh no we haven't. Oh, it's settled again. But now it's actually like coming off the sides and stuff, so apparently we're meant to take it out. If it would like to come out. Out. Meant to roll it around or something. How do you roll it around? That is the question. Oh dear me, that's not good. Get off my hands. Where's this activator nonsense? Get off my finger. What was the point of that? Silly. It's all sticking to the bloody... Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's Christmas slime, so I had glitter. Where is it? So we're going to add glitter to it to make it all festive. Let's use red. How do you open glitter? Hello. How do you... I'm confused. That's not doing anything. Oh, I got it. Glitter. Oh. The glitter is bloody gone. It has legit disappeared. What was the point of that? So, we are very, I think, close to it being slime. Slime? Is this slime? Oh, I've just flung a bit. Oops. I think this is slime. Did we actually bloody make slime? Jesus Christ. It's still like sticky though. So it's not 100% done. Get off my hands. How has this got like that? Oh my god, we've actually done it. We've actually done it. No, we haven't. Never mind. Oh, it's got stuck here again. We've done it. We actually did it. There's all like glitter in it as well. Now we've got to make some green one. Now we're going to make some green slime. Not you! Out! Oh, I just really got to do all this again. Oh. Oh, at least the green's working. That's always great. Oh, for God's sake, the foam soap. Oh my god, I keep forgetting this. Oh, we made green slime. Now it's gone wrong. Why would you go wrong as soon as I turn the camera on? What is your issue? Ta-da! So we got a red one that's turned into pink. We got that green one.